How to fix network change was detected error in Chrome on Windows and Mac. 1. Shut down and reopen Chrome. 2. Clear browsing history in Chrome. 3. Check your proxy settings. And for Mac users, refer to the IMG below. 4. Update your device's software. From Windows updates to device drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. And for Mac users, refer to the IMG below and Google for more info, if needed. 5. Restart your Wi-Fi router. 6. Disable your Chrome extensions, one by one. Disable one, then run your Chrome. 7. Clear your DNS settings. 7.1. For Mac OS users, run sudo tscotchi yodel flush cache, sudo killal hupm DNS responder command in terminal. 7.2. For Windows viewers, run IP protocol configuration /flushins command as admin. 8. Update Google Chrome. 9. Delete unwanted network connections from Network, Mac, or Network and Sharing, control panel. 10. Reset your Chrome settings.